Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Today we're going to be talking about Kenny Rogers, Dolly Parton, Madonna, Cyndi Lauper, and Fiona Apple. So let's start with Kenny Rogers, which some of you young people may not know. Kenny Rogers is probably his most signature, famous video or song. It's actually a movie called The Gambler, and it has a lot of wisdom. Kenny Rogers is probably undoubtedly one of the best singers of all time, especially the 80s, and he was very well respected. He used to sing with Dolly Parton a lot. He was a real neat singer, songwriter, artist. And there's Dolly Parton. I'm surprised she pulls up when I Google his name. So watch Kenny Rogers, The Gambler, and if you want to check out and you want more information on your favorite celebrities, stars, actors, musicians, anything on TV or Hollywood, you can go to imdb.com, and it's basically a Hollywood actor database for TV and stuff. So Dolly Parton is one of the most successful of all time female vocal singers, vocalists, and she has done great stuff, and she's very well respected and quite the lady. Dolly Parton was very famous and still is. I believe she has a place out in Nashville or Tennessee or Dollyland where she lives and stuff. So subscribe to Dolly Parton and watch her videos. She's an excellent role model and kind of wholesome. She's a neat lady. Madonna is also one of the all-time biggest female singers. She may have sold more albums than anyone I know of, or definitely in the top 10 or 20 for sure. And her music has echoed to the generation since the early 80s, when she was one of the first artists to appear on music television videos or MTV, which you may not get anymore because the format has changed. It's not music videos, but I have one of her CDs, and the first song I ever heard of her was Material Girl. This is an awesome song. Madonna, Don't Tell Me, is just an example of how, although she's been a musician for all my life pretty much, she can still, pump out the grooviest beats and tunes and awesome videos and stuff. And I think she has a great message. You can see here she used to be on Johnny Carson's Night Show. She was quite and here's one of her older videos when she looks young with the mole on her face. And there she is again, one of her older videos. And this is the first one I think I saw was Material Girl. And that was out right when MTV came out in the early 80s. So really neat. Always give props to Madonna. She's a great singer-songwriter. And we love her to death. So there was Britney Spears, and we'll talk about her. Cyndi Lauper is also an excellent vocalist. And Time After Time is one of my favorite videos. I think there's a message, and her music really gets me here, So Cyndi is a neat girl. She kind of sang about punk rockers and people a little bit different, and she's a pretty cool chick. Great singer. Fiona Apple is also one of my favorite singers. My favorite song would be Criminal, and there's Paper Bag, which is really neat choreography with her, and Shadow Boxer. She has an excellent sound. Her voice is really pretty, and she is a good singer. I don't think they're altering her voice with the computer or whatever. She's an excellent singer, and she also plays the piano that I know of. Here's when she was kind of thin, and that's Sleep to Dream, which is another one that's a lot like Criminal. I think I met that guy one time. Sinead O'Connor from Fiona Apple. Fiona Apple in her older years, she's living somewhere. One of her videos from a few years ago, and I was watching that video. And this is another one, Every Single Night, and Never the Promise, Across the Universe, Criminal, excellent videos. Watch it. So that's all I have for you today. I'm going to make another video, and maybe have some Britney Spears, and maybe some stuff on Saturday Night Live. things like that. So stay tuned. Do something good today. Do a good deed. Do to God and your country. You remain physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. And I'll see you on the other side.